Hey guys, how's it going? How to make your own AI clone with Magic Hour. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser. And you're gonna look for Magic Hour, and under the Magic Hour, you're gonna see face swap, video to video, image to video. So I'm gonna click face swap, right? And we're gonna stay on video face swap to make your AI clone. So first of all, upload the image or the face you want to use. In my case, I'm gonna use my face. God, I used my image a lot. So secondly, I'm gonna upload my video, right? Let's say for example, this short video. I'm gonna add it, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click swap faces. Or if you want to experiment or play around it, you can just go ahead and select any character from the free images, right? And just go ahead and hit swap faces, and now they're queuing up the video, and after you wait for a few moments, you're gonna be able to see the final results, and you're gonna be able to see the video change with your face on it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.